Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Guess we didn't really get to putting the time and stuff back together, but we're just gonna take apart the oil pump and see if we got metal shavings in here, and that's why we have it on the
piece of wood
solenoid over here. So you got brake clean to clean that later, right? Right, so you're not doing it then.
I don't. I was glad to.
Here you go. You hold that thing. All right. Looks like I've never took one of these apart, but hey,
We're gonna figure it out.
we'll figure out what's going on. This thing's either bad or not, one way or another.
I already put a brand new in it. Looks nice. Don't really matter about the bolts.
So obviously you can tell bolts are different lengths, so it's up to you. So where's the mallet?
Oh, right behind you.
We'll try to put you guys right somewhere here, guys. It's not working.
In the oil pan, guys. In the oil pan.
So I think you guys can see what we're doing.
Yeah, it's somewhat. Oh, Jesus.
There we go. Pop part that easy. And the oil pump is sticking, but I don't see nothing wrong with it really, guys. Let's just see here. Kind of looks a little worn, kind of. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't know. Seems like it's functioning. I don't know. Maybe it's this. Let's take apart this. So let's get the Allen for that.
That's a big guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last oil pump we took apart was completely seized, so
Yeah.
that one was pretty easy.
It just fell apart.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh. That thing's just gonna fall back out. Alright, got it. I'm covered in oil, guys.
Yeah, it'd make it really hard for
Oh,
me.
man. Where'd you put the yellow tail?
You had it last.
It's underneath me, of course.
Of course, that one's a little too big.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be too big. Just grab an extra. Yeah, it's probably gonna be a 3/8 one. And the ten's running away.
That was just the next size down.
Let's see what's inside here.
Ooh.
It sprung out. Still not finding no metal.
Well, there was metal in the...
Let's see. Is there a way to pull this out? There we go.
I don't see much coming out.
Try to get this thing out. There we go. Fell out. No metal.
I don't know how you take this part.
That's not good.
In here. There's chunks of something in there.
Yeah, we'll check that out in a minute.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, guys. Oh, jeez. Oh, wow.
I want to just use the gun.
Wee! It's just flying everywhere. Jeez. Yeah, he said just use the gun.
We're not using it anyways. It's bad. It's bad.
So it could be bad. I don't know.
Well, it's got a brand new one, so it's whatever.
Let's see in here.
Yeah, I don't know how you pop this off.
I'm not doing it.
There's
Little pieces of metal. Oh,
yeah,
maybe.
and the filter.
I don't know, guys. That's about far as we got for this. So we're just gonna stuff it back together, I guess. It'll be probably
Figure out
put
later.
to the scrap pile, probably.
Pretty sure this one came out here.
Ten's there. You gotta pull it, man. Jeez. All right.
That's crazy.
Well,
So maybe the no VTech was because the timing was off some or whatever.
I don't know, but it's got some dark material coming out of it, so I don't know.
Could also be from the cam caps not being tight.
What the hell? Alright guys, so that was that. Obviously didn't see much, I don't know. I was hoping with the metal we seen would be a whole bunch, but maybe we're gonna find out something else. But I guess the last thing we're gonna do today is we need to torque all these that somehow are loose. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Stuff being loose. I never took this motor apart or nothing. I bought the car that I bought it and pulled the motor and put it in this car, so we're just gonna see what it is. So guys, alright, maybe that's better. Alright, so these bolts are 16 foot-pounds, and then this 10 that we got to tighten up is 8.5.
8.7.
This guy looked it up earlier, so let's just see how it goes real quick. Where are you starting there, man?
I'm not. I just put it. I just.
Where was it supposed to be here?
I was about to pull up a picture. I'm pretty sure it was one of these two that were the first one.
What he looked up was, you know, to go from the middle out like normal, so that's where we're going. And hopefully it all torques down good, and we're all good then. That'd be a great thing. Nope, that didn't like it, huh? Camera doesn't want to cooperate. Where are we at here?
I don't know. We're on number 1 though.
He says we're on number 1. You watch your stuff, man.
Gotta get green. It's okay. Not used to this electric one.
Well, he says we go number 1. And where we go?
The one right behind the 10.
And we'll jump to other cam. And boom, like pretty basic like any other Honda. Let's see what happens. What are we getting here?
I'm almost there. I'm slowly doing it, but it's 13. Oh.
Yeah, he likes his fancy torque wrench.
Oh, you like the fancy torque wrench.
I had just a clicker one. That's what I've always had.
That's 2.
So we're just trying to finish this video to get another video for you guys. And maybe if the camera wants to cooperate would be nice. I think you guys can see everything there now. So, like I said, you just kind of go from the middle and go out and out, and eventually end up all the way at the end. So
that means you did it right. As long as nothing breaks. Show you right.
Alright.
Oh my God. 10 was the last one. Yeah. So, 4, 5.
Yeah.
5 is this one.
This is basically what I did when I got off work, I guess, guys. So I don't know if you guys like the videos that are. There's gonna be 2 videos before this one, and if my camera would work, it'd be cool.
Oh, this one was pretty
And
cool already.
if you guys like how the other 2 videos are or anything, I guess comment, or anybody that subscribes would be great to help our channel grow more. And
hopefully we'll see this thing at the racetrack.
and if you guys like what we did in any of those videos, we can try to do more of those. We still have the Integra over there with the J swap. We got stuff to do too, and I think he has more stuff he wants to do to this, but
Yes, sir.
this is kind of where we're at. We're just kind of messing with it. I did all this, and then I don't know. I kind of had a B series in here that was turboed, and then I built the motor, had a machine shop do it, and it only made it 2,000 miles. So this car is kind of made me not really into messing with it. So now it's his, and it's already got a K in it, so this is kind of where we're going with this one. So, and we still have a video that I think we're gonna do tomorrow when we get off work to
Put everything
go
together.
over putting the cam or timing cover on, the oil pan on, valve cover on, and then if that goes all well, then maybe we might video driving it and seeing if it actually will go above 4,000 RPMs at that point. But this guy's still it's over here. Here's his little diagram he's got on his
This thing's
phone.
all messed up.
It's not the clearest picture, but it's what he found, so that's what we're going off of. And then he found a video of somebody torquing it, so that's where we got the torque specs for it. And like you said, it was 16 for the 12 millimeters, and then this 10 here that I think it's only on one of the cam caps, but it says it's 8.5, so come on, camera. So I think that's about it for the video today. I don't know. Tomorrow's will probably be just a little bit longer, but hopefully we get off early so that we can have a little more time to actually go over all these parts and stuff. And need to try to get the seals out of the valve cover, which I'm thinking are probably burnt on in there.
Oh yeah, there is.
And we gotta pull the crank seal off this so we can replace that. And we have another seal for the back here. You guys probably can't see it, but the seal for there. He had to go get all that after. Alright guys, I was just figured I would end the video. I thought I did it in the video we did of doing the cam cap torque and taking apart the oil pump, but I guess the camera died or something. Not really sure, but I guess this is outro. I guess like, comment, subscribe, any of that stuff be cool for our channel, and I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow with putting the timing cover all together and seals and valve cover and oil pan. So everybody have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.